ultra luxury gated community towards the Bangalore Central, walkable distance to the Lal Bagh Botanical Area. We bring you 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, limited no common walls practically by A-grade developer Puravankara Orient Grand, located on the Lal Bagh Road. This is the larger 4 bedroom option. The beauty here is all about the open area, opening it towards the Lal Bagh on one side, the other side you get the Kavan Park view, UB City and everything in the close vicinity. Getting ready in another year's timeline is what we are looking at it. So this is how large your living dining comes in. You have larger deck spaces practically here. So this is how the larger decks looks. And just to give you an idea, that's the UB City on one side, the areas. So you live in the Bangalore address practically in here. So that is where we are bringing you. Getting ready in another year's timeline is what we are talking about. And G plus 24 floor structure. 3 bedroom starts at 2,000 square feet, comes at a price point of around 5.5 crores, and the larger variant goes up to 11.5. And the beauty here is what you see. Every corner has natural lighting. You get good sized balcony. This is how the kitchen comes in. The maid's room attached. The access to the maid's bedroom there practically, and all your bedrooms are spread across evenly in here. So this is the guest bedroom with the attached washroom, and again even this also comes with a balcony. This is basically a logger balcony where you have the access from the bedrooms and everything in here. So this is the other bedroom in here. Comes again the balcony. Front you see the UV city. So larger balcony options, a walk-in wardrobe space with the attached washrooms. And when you talk about the specification here, you have option to upgrade. This is the standard flooring what you are looking at in here. You have an upgrade option where you can upgrade it. So this is the master, your walk-in wardrobe spaces, attached washrooms. If you want to upgrade the fitments, that is always there in here. The master in here. Again, from the master you get the view of the entire green. The beauty here is it's all surrounded by one side low-rise developments, on the other side government institutions. So your view will always be clean cut and clear in here. This is the other bedroom. So every bedroom comes with a balcony in here. This is the largest size what we are talking about, attached washroom. So if you're looking at an opportunity, CBD area close to the lung space of Bangalore, ease of access, this is one of the most prominent address desired by the company founders, CEOs, CXOs, business founders, professionals, doctors, lawyers, to be close to the CBD hub. For further details, contact us. Thank you.